Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the exact dose on your prescription and the pen's expiration. Safety first. Once confirmed, attach a new sterile needle and remove both outer and inner caps carefully. Prime the pen by dialing 1 or 2 units and pressing until a drop appears. This clears air so you get an accurate dose. Make sure the pen is at room temperature for about 30 minutes because cold solution can feel more painful and deliver uneven dosing. Dial the exact dose prescribed. You should hear or feel clicks as numbers advance, so you know it's set. Once set, choose a soft area like abdomen or thigh and gently pinch a 1 to 2 inch fold of skin. Insert the needle at 90 degrees for most pens or 45 degrees if you're very thin. Press the injection button fully and keep it depressed. After the dose is delivered, hold the needle in place for 5 to 10 seconds to ensure full transfer of medication. When the injection is complete, withdraw the needle and use the 1-hand scoop or safety cap to replace the outer cap. Immediately discard needles in an approved sharps container. Store the pen according to label instructions and record the dose and time in your tracking log so cycles stay consistent. If you see no drop or you feel the injection didn't deliver, reprime 1 to 2 units and retry. If the problem persists, call your clinic before the next dose to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.